Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by verifying the exact OnePlus earbuds model and confirming they have enough charge. Low batteries can prevent normal behavior. Once done, place the right and left buds near the charging case and prepare the USB-C cable in case you need to recharge the case. Make sure Bluetooth is active on your OnePlus phone so you can watch the connection drop as you proceed, because the phone gives immediate feedback when the earbuds enter their off state. Next, either place both earbuds into their charging case and close it. Most OnePlus designs power off automatically when the case closes. If you don't have the case, press and hold each touch sensor or stem for about 8 to 10 seconds until LED indicators change. This forces a manual power down. Alternatively, you can open your phone's Bluetooth menu and tap disconnect, or forget to sever the link. This doesn't always fully power down hardware, but stops audio playback and conserves phone battery. Finally, confirm the earbuds are off by checking that indicator LEDs are dark or that the case shows a charging light. Also ensure your phone shows them disconnected. If one or both earbuds remain active, let them drain completely, then recharge inside the case, which often forces a reset. Make sure to restart your phone's Bluetooth if reconnection causes problems, and if persistent power or pairing issues continue. Perform a factory reset of the earbuds, following the model's reset procedure, to restore normal shutdown behavior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.